Okay, here we go. First attempt at a video being sent to you from Joe here with the MU-180 class. I wanted to go over the homework for you, especially for the students on Tuesday who did not have the benefit of me bringing this to class. So I will include an attachment of this weekly planner in the hopes that you'll be able to watch this video as well as look at your syllabi as a pacing guide for this semester. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is to take a walk through your week, and I'll just take a typical student schedule. If I take a walk through my week starting on Monday, the first class I had was wellness. So I had wellness at about 10 o'clock, and I have wellness on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then my second class on Monday was geography, and I also have that class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My third class was later in the afternoon, and that was music, and I have that on Monday and Wednesday, and then that's all I have on Monday and Wednesday and Friday. So then Tuesday morning I have a math class, and that meets Tuesday and Thursday, and then my fifth class or second class on Tuesday, but my fifth class overall is English, and that class also meets on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, for all intents and purposes, that's the first part of the planner homework. This is for this week, January 18th. If I look at what goes on the 25th, the first thing I would do is just move this schedule over here, since obviously week to week my class times don't change. What does change is the pace of the course. And I mentioned in class again that if I could have your syllabi, I'd stamp the top of them with a simple phrase that said pacing guide. So we're going to use this planner and your syllabi to create a pacing guide for the first week and the second week of the semester. So after you have this set up according to when your classes meet, then all I want you to do is to get out your wellness syllabus, geography syllabus, music syllabus, math syllabus, and English syllabus. Okay, from that point, it's an extraction method. You would reach into the wellness syllabus, grab what was going on the week of the 18th, and write it in these particular days of the week. Some syllabuses are very, very detailed. Others are a little broader. But one thing's for sure, there's something on that syllabus that will give you a heads up that will allow you to be more prepared not only for the week, but more prepared for the individual class that week. Okay? So once we went into wellness and extracted what's going on the first week, we can put it in this block. We can then go over here, because I do have wellness as my first class the following week. I would go into my wellness syllabus, look at the second week in wellness, pull out that information, and put it here because this is the week of the 25th. Okay? So basically we're looking at 2 weeks worth of work, focusing on in particular this first week, because as I mentioned in class, oftentimes if we look at the syllabus as a pacing guide, the professor has taken off the first week. The first class period was probably an introduction, but most syllabuses will say either Friday of this week or Thursday of this week, which is the second meeting this week, it'll say Chapter 1. So your professor's well on their way to setting the pace in your class. This is an initial opportunity that we'll talk about more in class, but will let you see in a snapshot how all your requirements for that week are together. It'll give you more opportunity to be on top of your game, and certainly more opportunity to feel more confident as you progress through the semester. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in class next week.